Okay, friends, today you've been working with alliteration or repeated sounds, repeated letter sounds in a sentence. Okay, so you should have watched this video. All right, you're going to watch this video of alliteration, which it says the use of the same beginning consonant sound in a line or a verse. A line would be like a sentence, a verse would be like in a song. But it's the same letter sound, not the same start of a letter. Okay, notice, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. You hear the P sound in almost every word. Words like of, this, the, those words don't really count, and sometimes you're not going to be able to have every single letter. Okay? So, what you're going to do now is you are going to make up, on the next slide, you're going to make up some silly sentences using alliteration. You cannot repeat any words or use any examples that you've seen or heard. You're going to take a look at my examples. And for the directions, you're going to change the color of any alliterated sound. I did one for you, so we'll do the hardest one, I think. If you look at the bottom, my silly sentence, Sherry shouted shush as she shamed me. So, you might be thinking, oh, they all start with an S. S, 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 S. But remember, it's the sound they make. So let's see if you can listen. Sherry shouted shush as she shamed me. So the sound that you're really hearing is the SH sound. So what you're going to do, what you would do, is you would change, based on the directions, change the color of the alliterated sound. So the SH, Sherry. Okay, you can just change the text, the color of the text. Make sure I can see it. So Sherry shouted shush as she shamed me. Okay, notice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of the 7 words have alliteration. So for the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 examples, I want you to change the color of the alliteration. Then on the next slide, you are going to write as many silly sentences as you can. Okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bullet points. You don't have to do 9. You can do more than 9, but you should do more than 1. Okay, your sentences, your silly sentences should be silly and more than 3 words. Okay, I cannot wait to read what you've come up with. And if I know that you didn't follow the examples, that means you did not watch this whole movie, this whole video, and you will have to redo it. Okay, good luck and have fun.